We have been using 3G and 4G for quite some time with all the pros and cons, and we all are eagerly waiting for the 5G technology to boost our internet experience to the next level. Yes, today's episode is all about what Jio 5G has to offer India. Let's begin. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.
The current king of telecom in India, Reliance Jio Infocomm, the wireless carrier created by multi-billionaire Mukesh Ambani, which ranked number 1 in India and number 3 in the world, with a network of more than 400 million subscribers, exceeding Vodafone Idea 320 million customers. We have been using Jio 4G LTE for quite some time now here in India, which offers a significant boost in the internet upload and download speed over 3G, while most of us are happy with the internet speed, but with the introduction of 5G, we will not only get higher speeds but also a more stable network overall. With 4G LTE, Reliance Jio brought voice over LTE to India. This basically means all phone calls are made over the 4G network instead of the phone needing to switch to the 2G network every time a call is made or received. With this, the customers not only get a crystal clear phone call experience but also get to use the high-speed internet even during an ongoing phone call. What is Jio 5G? Reliance Industries Limited, RIL, during its 43rd Annual General Meet, AGM, made the announcement of the Jio 5G network. The upgrade from 4G to 5G is not as simple as it sounds. While users will just need to upgrade to a new smartphone, there is a lot of work required at the telecom operator's end. The telecom operator needs to purchase the new spectrum that will be used via the government's spectrum auction. Additionally, the company needs to set up the equipment around the country through which the network signals will be deployed. According to Jio's announcement, both the telecom service provider and their equipment vendor have completed lab trials of 5G network components. However, the public trials cannot begin until the spectrum auctions are commenced. Jio has promised that as soon as they buy the spectrum, they will be rolling out the public trials. This could mean that Jio will be the first network in India to roll out 5G. What more technologies Jio will offer? Apart from Jio 5G, company will offer more products and list goes on. Number 1. JIO TV Plus. With JIO TV Plus, the users will be able to get content from over 12 leading global OTT platforms including Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Hotstar, Voot, Sony Live, Z5, Jio Cinema, Jio Saavn and YouTube among others. Number 2, partnerships with Facebook. Reliance Jio will be closely working with Facebook for its grocery service called JIO MART, which will optimize the JIO MART services on WhatsApp, making placement of orders seamless. Number 3, partnerships with Google. With Google's investment of 33,737 crore in the partnership, Jio aims to bring the internet to more people across the country. The two giants will be working closely together to create an affordable 4G or 5G smartphone. Number 4. Jio Glass. One of the most interesting announcements at the AGM was the Jio Glass, which aims to bring the best-in-class mixed reality experience. People can not only enjoy movies but also attend 3D virtual classes, meetings and more. Number 5. Jio Meet. Reliance Jio recently introduced the Jio Meet video conferencing platform. The platform has been developed to help schools and offices. Jio Meet app has already crossed over 5 million downloads. With the great business leadership and strategies, Reliance Jio is going to change the internet experience to next level. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon in the next episode.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town.